the garden in a bright red coat. Spots on her back and she's ready to float. Tiny little wings hidden out of sight. Flap, flap, flutter and she's taking flight. Ladybug, ladybug, where do you go? All over the flowers flying low and slow. Looking for aphids, her favorite treat. She helps our plants now, isn't that neat? She crawls on a leaf with her tiny feet, wiggling her antenna, oh so sweet. Sun on her shell, she glows so bright. A red little hero in the morning light. With 6 small legs and 2 bright eyes, she climbs up stems and into the skies. Not just pretty, she's brave and bold, saving the garden strong and bold. Soon her babies hatch in springtime sun. Tiny larvae crawl, the work's begun. They'll grow and change in and out of sight. They wear red coats and fly someday. Ladybug, lady, come out and play. Spotty little friends brighten our day. Buzzing and crawling, flying above. The garden is alive with ladybug love. Red, black, yellow, some even pink. They're nature's helpers more than you think. From seed to flower, they guard the green. The cutest pest patrol you've ever seen.